Mississippi has more than the 2020 census reported, which means that many people aren't accounted for. 12 News' Deidre Briscoe explains what it means to have every person counted.
The 2020 census found Mississippi lost 6,000 from its population. Instead, the state gained 100,000 after further review. The factors that play into such an undercounting vary from language barriers to access to internet to attitudes towards the government and people simply just not being reachable.
You know, Mississippi in particular is known for having a number of sort of regions within the state where it's actually pretty hard to contact people. So, for example, some of the lowest response rates to census mailings have been, estimated in the Delta.
When a community is undercounted, fewer federal dollars are sent there, and when a community is overcounted, more federal dollars are sent there. The disproportionate divide of federal funding of nearly $1 trillion really does represent the inequalities happening across the U.S. But what does it mean for individual cities?
The underreporting could potentially impact certain grant opportunities, because if a grant is based on a per capita basis, then if we underreported, by 100,000, then certainly certain federal grants could be reduced.
There are two other ways that the population is counted, one with a survey and the other through analysis of public records. But the Constitution dictates that we count people by hand first.
As a part of the census count. There's been a long debate about whether or not they should just use those alternative methods as opposed to going out and trying to do the count. And basically, the Census Bureau is constrained by Congress, and they would require a congressional action to be able to change the method.
Beyond funding, population data is crucial for development. Businesses use this to determine where to build new factories and stores, a decision that could create jobs and improve the local economy. Reporting in Hattiesburg, Deidre Briscoe, 12 News.